Today I'm using quick, active, instant yeast to make pizza. Gonna need your meats. So I got some pepperoni here. I got some garlic sausage right over here, and I'm gonna cook that separate. Roasted garlic, and you can get these from your store. Sweet red peppers, crushed and ground up garlic, peppers, and olives. We got the sauce, whether it be homemade, hand squashed, or store-bought. Just get a good sauce. Right here I have some mozzarella and I have some provolone. All right, the first thing I am going to do is take and get my yeast rolling. Even though it's already active, I just like doing this here so I can, just in case I gotta wake some of these babies up. Let's get you in there. And the water is about 100 degrees. All right, gonna get started on this dough. Here, a couple of cups. I'm gonna do 2 cups. There you go, just like that. I'm gonna make sure we add some salt to this. Adding some pepper flakes to this. Adding some dried basil to this. It's gonna add a lot of flavor. This is that active yeast, right? Get the boys in there. And we're gonna do about a tablespoon of some good olive oil. Get in there. Let's give this a stir. Let's get ready to knead this. Let's get this going. So my trick for a real flaky dough is I keep folding in. So I'll take a piece like this, put it down, and then I'll take my, right here, I'll take the heel of my hand, palm of my hand, and I'll press it. And I'll do the same, right? And this is my little way to make my dough real fluffy and flaky, because I'm folding it over and I'm folding it in, just like that. Takes some work, but then when you pinch it, just like that, there you go. Look at that. Pinch that sucker in. I'm gonna leave it in the bowl, right? I'm gonna hit it with some oil, and I'm gonna let that baby proof. That's some good oil. We wanna be generous. I'm gonna let it proof. You gotta let it proof. Let's cover this baby up and get everything else ready. All right, okay, our dough has been proofed. Look at that, oh, that rose up a lot. You see the olive oil on the sides there, but some got on there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this off here. I'm gonna flour this down here. There you go, just a little bit, not too much. All right, let's start working this dough out. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, I got a call coming in. We'll work it out. Stretch this baby out by hand. So this is a hand stretched dough. Check out that bottom again. Boom. That's where that oil's at, so that way we know it's not gonna stick. All right, we're gonna hit it with a whole cup of sauce here. I used to do this in high school. Like I worked at Chuck E. Cheese on my wild days. Here, go make my circles. That's what it's about, baby. Yeah. Now for me, I like sauce because we're gonna be baking this. There you go. My sausage. So I like to spread my sausage out. Yeah. My olives, or my olive mix. Just gonna spread that all around because they got a little oil in it. It's gonna have a lot of flavor underneath that, so this is like my little secret, man. I'm gonna hit it with that provolone first. Just gonna cycle around it. The mozzarella, I'm gonna layer it like this, because that mozzarella is gonna melt too. It just adds so much more to me. Now, I'm gonna hit it with everything else. Pepperoni. I'm gonna hit it with the garlic. Yeah. Ooh, That's gonna be good. That's roasted garlic right there. Sweet peppers. Yeah, that's what you want, baby. Sweet peppers is what's gonna add that extra oomph to without everything else we need. All right, just got it out. I'm gonna take some butter here. I'm gonna hit all the edges real quick and hit that. There you go. I'm gonna do this like 3 times, baby. So I need this to soften back up. Next thing, we're gonna hit it with some basil. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Some fresh parsley. And this is steamed down, baby. This is steamed down. Put it over there. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hit it. Ooh. Ooh! This is gonna be tasty, baby. All right, you know what time it is. Let this set for a little bit. Let me cut through this. This is why I need a better one. This is why you need the rocker knives. Oh yeah, man. Let's get this off. All right, let's see what this is about. Oh my goodness. And see, look, this breaks apart perfectly. Oh, see that dough? That's some good dough right there. That's really good. Look at that. Cheese just dripping everywhere. And I got that provolone on there too.
But yet, you continue to eat it.
Look at that. It's all this cheese. Take one more bite and that's it, y'all.
Why are you eating this hot?
Need a hot piece of this good. Oh yeah. It's real sausage. Wash it all down. That's what you want, baby. Ooh. Yeah, baby. This is one slice. This one slice is filling because it was made right. The sweet pepper. Oh hell yeah.